So again, for synthetic division, you write your long division symbol. Then we put the coefficients. The first one was -3. And then we have a missing x squared right here. It's like there's like an imaginary 0 x squared. So bring down 0. We do have an x term. Stop saying that. Can you look up here? Please focus. So this first term is 7, and then the last term is -8. Okay. So it looked like there were 3 terms, but there's a missing 0 term. Okay. So you put all of your coefficients. Now, what goes right here? The opposite of the bottom. Okay. So instead of -4, yes, we're going to put a +4. You got to be able to set it up correctly. If you can do that, then it's just a bunch of multiplying and adding, multiplying and adding, multiplying and adding. Okay. So bring down the first one. Draw a little arrow. -3 will be my first term. Cool. So take this times this. What's -3 times 4? -12. And then we vertically add them. So 0 plus that -12, almost fell, is -12. And then once again, we're going to multiply. -12 times 4 is -48. And then we add vertically. 7 plus -48, -41. And then once again, multiply. -41 times 4, -164. And then we're going to add these. -8 plus -164. -172. Now, if you can do that, that's partially going to give us our answer. We just have to remember, we started with x to the 3rd power. We have to go down 1 power. So now it's going to be to the 2nd power. So this first coefficient will be for x squared. Second coefficient will be for just x. Third coefficient will be by itself. It's a constant. And then that last number is my remainder over what I was dividing by. So this over this. So -172 over x minus 4. This thing is my answer by synthetic division. Now, if you don't like this way, and if you are good at the long division, you can still do long division. That's fine. So, here's the deal. On the assignment for 5.5, yesterday we were supposed to have been working on that, and today, I'm still giving you some time. The back, I want you to try synthetic division, but if you're a pro at long division, be my guest. They're both going to give you the same answer. Well, we didn't get it yesterday, we got it before that. But it's in the bin if you need it. But here's what I want to make sure we understand. Okay, you have a test on Tuesday. We're going to try to start reviewing tomorrow, and then Monday. Friday we'll have a little writing assignment. But I want to make sure you've done 5.5 and 5.4. Okay, so I'm going to be asking you today, what are you doing today? A lot of people are wasting class time. Okay, the same people that come and beg for tutoring times. Like, why do we both need to spend time after school when you can just work in class? That would be the best scenario. That's my opinion, I guess. Okay, so if everyone can be working in class, please, I'm going to ask you what you're working on. Real quick, 5.4. If you did the front side of 5.4, I know 5.4 was kind of long. So if you did the front, that's good. Just turn it in, okay? But 5.5, I want you to show me on 5.5 you can do some of the back at least, okay? Please. Cool. If you are stuck, I don't know unless you let me know. Okay, so that's why I'm going to be asking you questions. If you're a usual suspect of sleeping, nodding off, phoning, doing other weird stuff, I'm going to be asking you to show me what you're working on. Physically show it to me, okay? So again, let's work today. Let's go.